Hello everyone, welcome to the Cinema 4D course in which I'll teach you how to model and work a scene like this one using this software. In this course, we'll work with different features of this program and we'll see how we model this scene, then we'll work on the maps and the UV maps extraction. Afterwards, in Photoshop, we'll see how to paint all these and we'll also learn how to upload this model to a platform like Sketchfab in order to present the model to potential clients. In this platform, we'll be able to get images in real time of our work. As I'm saying, all these processes, including extracting the UV maps, paint our textures in Photoshop one by one with one style, etc., all these elements will be useful, though the course is not 100% focused on digital painting. But we'll learn the tools so everyone can paint afterwards the textures with your own artistic style from the style that each of you have. And so everyone is able to apply all these to 3D and generate images like this one that you're seeing right now. It will be a quite long course, so be patient because at the end of the last lesson you'll realize you've learned so many things that you'll be able to use in your work. So I'll see you in the second lesson in which we'll start modeling. See you in a bit.